Hello, dear students. It is the 18th class. Previous class is 17th. In the previous class, I made here 16. Please make it that is 17th class. This is 18th class. Okay, students. So now, in the 17th class, we learned about some of the problems which are involved with the formula Sn equals n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Students, we shall continue some more problems on the same formula. Now, before going to the lesson, let us take a prayer. Class attention. 1 minute personal prayer. ಕಣ್ಮುಚ್ಚಿ ಕೈಗಳನ್ನು ಜೋಡಿಸಿ ಒಂದು 10 ಸಲ ಭಗವಂತನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆ ಮಾಡಿ. ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ನಿಧಾನವಾಗಿ ಕಣ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಓಕೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳ, ಶುರು ಮಾಡೋಣ. 18ನೇ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್. ಸೊ ನೋಡಿ ಏನದು. ಲೆಟ್ us take next problem. What is the next problem? The next problem is find the sum of first 100 positive integers. Go through the problem. Find the sum of first 100 positive integers. What are the positive integers, students? The natural numbers are also called as positive integers. Positive integers are nothing but here we take natural numbers. Don't take the fractions. Fractions integers are boroda illa. We come across negative numbers, positive numbers. In that positive numbers, that is in that negative and positive, collect only positive numbers. That indicates that is the natural numbers. So what is that? First 100 positive integers means, let us take the answer. What is the answer? How do you write it? Solution. Solution is sum of first 100 positive integers is equal to, what is that? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus etc. 100. ಮಕ್ಕಳ, ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ, in case of natural numbers, number of terms and the last term remains same. The number of terms and last term remains same, you know. Therefore, here the 100 positive integer means 100 is the last number. Now n is equal to 100. Is it right? So now we know that what is the sum of natural numbers? Sum of natural numbers is equal to n into n plus 1 divided by 2. I told you, that is also called as sigma n. ಇದನ್ನ sigma n ಅಂತಲೂ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. We also call it as sigma n. What is the value of n? Yes, 100 is equal to 100 into 100 plus 1 divided by 2. 2 ones are 250s are. Is it right? So now, yes, 100 is equal to 50 into 101. Multiply. What do you get? 5 ones are 5 zeros are 5 ones are 1 0. 5050. Is it right? 100 plus 1 ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ 50 hundreds are 5000 plus 1 is 5050. Is it right? In that way, we calculate when they give the first positive integers. Students, first positive integers is same as natural numbers. Is same as natural numbers. Okay. Take next problem. What we did in the previous problem, same type. You do it. How do you do? Sum of first 50 positive integers is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus etc. plus 50. Is it right? So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus etc. plus 50. So now n equals 50. N equals 50. Sn equals n into n plus 1 by 2. S50 equals 50 into 50 plus 1 divided by 2. 50 into 51 divided by 2 ones are 225s. S50 is equal to 25 ones are 25. Take 2 carry 5, sorry, plus 5 carry 2. 25 5 is 125 plus 2, 127. 1275. That is very easy if it is positive integers. Now like that. Now same type of problem, somewhat upgraded. Let us take. Find the sum of first 50 multiples of 8. Find the sum of first 15 multiples of 8. How do you do this? Yes, take this. How do you do that problem? Sum of first 15, sum of first 15 multiples 8 is equal to first 15 multiples of 8. 8 ಅನ್ನ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿ ಟೇಬಲ್ 8 plus 16 plus 24 plus etc. to 15 times we write like this. To 15 times. ಈಗ now you can solve this by using Sn equals n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. ಆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಅದನ್ನ ಹಾಕಿ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. a is 8, d is 8, n is 15. You can solve, but we can solve this one by using sum of first and natural numbers. How do you do? Take out 8 as common factor. Simply we can solve this. 8 as common factor. 8 ones are, 8 twos are, 8 threes are, etc. to 15 times. Number of terms remain same, but it has been changed to what? Positive integers. You see? Are natural numbers. Then what? 8 into s r measure better here ಬರೆಯಬಹುದು sigma 15 n equals 1 to 15 like this. Sigma 15. So this is 8 into sigma 15 is 15 into 15 plus 1 divided by 2. 15 into 15 plus 1 divided by 2. 2 ones are, 2 fours are, 4 into 50, 15 plus 1 16. ಈ ಮೂರನ್ನು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಹೌದಾ. ಈ ಮೂರನ್ನು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಷ್ಟೇ. 15, 15 plus 1 16, 16 into 15 and 4 ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಮಾಡಿ ಹೇಳಿ ನೋಡುವ. ನೀವೇ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೇಳಿ ನೋಡೋಣ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. ನಾನು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಲಾ? ನಾನು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ. 16 5s 0 8, 16 5s 80, 0 carry 8, 16 1s 16 plus 8 240 into 4 like this. 4 zeros are 4 4s are 16, 1 carry, 4 2s are 8 plus 1 9. This will be equal to how much? 960. This is the answer. Like this. The next problem. Find the sum of first 20. Find the sum of first 20 multiples of 3. Multiples of 3. Same type. First 20 multiples of 3. Yes, same type. What is that? Three plus 6 plus 9 plus etc. 220 terms. This is take out 3 as common factor. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus etc. 220 terms. Now this is 3 into sigma 20. It is n equals 1 to 20 like this. This is 3 into 20. Formula ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಬರೀರಿ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಬರೀರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Sn equals n into n plus 1 divided by 2. In that way 3 into n into n plus 1. 20 into 20 plus 1 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2 tens are. This is 3 into 10 into 21. 3 into 10 into 21. So 21 tens are 210. Multiply here 210 into 3. 3 0 3 ones are 3 twos are. How much? It is 630. ನೋಡಿ ಸರಿನಾ? 630 the sum. ನೀವು ಆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಎಲಾಬರೇಟ್ ಆಗ್ತೈತೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಎಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. Same question can be asked like this. Find the sum of first 40 positive integers 40 positive integers divisible by 6. Positive integers divisible by 6. 6 ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗ್ತಕ್ಕಂತ 40 ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇಂಟಿಜರ್ಗಳ ಸಮ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಿರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. You see, find the sum of first 40 positive integers which are divisible by 6. 6 ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ 40 ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇಂಟಿಜರ್ಸ್ಗಳ ಸಮ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಿರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Yes, find the sum of first 40 sum of first 40 positive integers divisible by 6. 6 ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥವು ಅಂದ್ರೆ multiples of 6 ಅಂತೂ ಒಂದೇ which are divisible by first ಅನ್ನೋ ಪದ ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸ್ತೀವಿ ನೋಡಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ an element which is the first term or the first natural number or a first integer which is divisible by 6 is 6, and next one is 12, next one is 18, etc. How much? To 40 terms like this. To 40 terms. So if you take 6 as the common factor, 6 ones are, 6 twos are, 6 threes, etc. to 40 terms. Is it right? This will be equal to 6 into sigma 40. 6 into sigma 40. So this will be equal to 6 into sigma 40 is, use the formula Sn equals n into n plus 1 divided by 2. This is 40 into 40 plus 1 divided by 2. Now divide how much? 2 ones are, 2 threes are, 3 into 40 into 41 multiply. Howda? 41 are, 41 ones are. Yes, 40 illinda agala how much it is? 41 into 40, 4 ones are, 4 fours are, this is 1640 into 3, 3 zeros are, 3 fours are, 12, 1, 3 6 are 18 plus 1 19, 1, 3 ones are 3 plus 1, how much? 4, 4920. ಯಾಕೆ ನಾನು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತಾ ಇರ್ತೀನಿ ಹೇಳಿ ನೋಡುವ. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂದರೆ ನಾನು ಮೊಬೈಲಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಹಾಕಿಬಿಡ್ಬೋದು, ನೀವು ಅದನ್ನೇ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಲಮಲ್ಲಿ ಇದನ್ನು ಬರಿತಾ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಬರೆದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಅಂತ ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕ್ಕೊಂಡು ನೀವು ಬರಿಬೇಕು, ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಬರೆಯೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಿಮಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದೆಯಲ್ಲ. ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಎ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್. Otherwise you won't develop the confidence. ಸರಿ ನೋ ತಪ್ಪೋ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಅದೇ ಭಯ ಅಂತ ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಭಯ, ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸರಿನೋ ತಪ್ಪೋ ನಾವು ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಲಮಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಹೋದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಎಸ್, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್? So what is that? Find the sum of odd numbers. Find the sum of odd numbers between 0 and 50. 0 and 50. What are the odd numbers? What is the sum of odd numbers which exists between 0 and 50? What are the odd numbers? You see, sum equals. What is the sum? Sum of odd numbers between 0 and 50 is equal to, it is 1 plus 3 plus 5 etc. plus it is 49. Is it right? Odd numbers. We are discussing about odd number 1, 3, 5, 7. ನೋಡಿ ಈ ತರ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ we shall go back to the same formula. We cannot use sigma n. Sigma n ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಯಾಕೆ? No continuity. Is it right? But ನಮ್ಮ sum of the first and odd numbers ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ? Sum of first and even numbers. ಅದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ನೋಡಿ. Is it right? This is here it is a is 1, b is 3 minus 1 2 and then an equals 49. An is 49 but n is what? First you require to calculate n. To calculate n, you take n equals a plus n minus 1 into d. an equals a plus n minus 1 into d. an is 49 equals 1 plus n minus 1 into d is 2. 49 equals 1 plus 2n minus 2. Is it? So 49 is equal to 1 minus 2 is minus 1. 2n minus 1. So this is, ನೋಡಿ this minus 1 ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ 2n equals 49 plus 1. 2n equals 50. n equals 50 by 2. n equals 25. You got n value as 25. There are 25 odd natural numbers and you can use Sn equals what? n into a plus an by 2. n is 25 into a is 1 plus 49. an is 49 by 2. Like that. Here n is 25, a is 1 and then 49. So how much? 25 into 49 plus 1, 50 divided by 2. 2 ones are 225s are. Is it right? 25 25s are. It is 625. Yes, yes. 25 is 625. The sum is 625. All natural numbers numbers between 1 and 201 between 1 and 201 which are divisible by 5, which are divisible by 5, which are divisible by 5. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೋಡಿ ಸೇಮ್ ಅವಾಗಲೇ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ divisible by 6 ಮಾಡೋದಲ್ಲ ಬಟ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ 1 ತಗೋಬಾರ್ದು 201 ತಗೋಬಾರ್ದು. You have to consider the numbers which are present in between 1 and 201. more than 1 and less than 2 not 1. So like this you have to simplify it. So now solution. What is the solution? Sum of natural numbers. Sum of natural numbers between 1 and 2 not 1 divisible by 5. Which are divisible by 5. So what are those? First number is 5 greater than 1. First number is 5 plus 10 plus 15 etc etc plus what is that? Less than 201 is 200. 201 ಗಿಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ನಂಬರ್ 5 ರಿಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. Is it right? So this is 5 in the common number. 5 ones are 5 twos are 5 threes are etc etc 5 fours are like this. Again we go for sum of first and natural numbers. 5 into sigma 40 n equals 1 to 40. So this is 5 into 40 into 40 plus 1 divided by 2. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗದ್ರೆ ಬರೆಯಿರಿ. Sigma n equals n into n plus 1 divided by 2. That formula we have used here. So now what? This is 5 into 40 into 41 by 2. 2 ones are 2 20s are. 25 is how much? It is 100 into 41. But 100 ಬಂದ್ರೆ easy ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 41 2 zeros 4100. This will be the sum between sum of the natural numbers between 1 and 201 which are divisible by 5 4100. ನೀವು ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಈ ಎರಡು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆಯಿರಿ. ಈ ಎರಡು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆಯಿರಿ. ನನಗೆ ಜಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ? ಓಕೆ, ಟೇಕ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್. Now take next problem is find the sum of first 25 even natural numbers. Find the sum of first 25 even natural numbers. Find the sum of first 25 even natural numbers. Yes, sum of 25 even natural numbers. Sum of 25 even natural numbers is equal to 2 plus 4 plus etc etc to 25 terms. ಇದೆ ತಾನೆ? ಇದನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ಇದು ಬಹಳ ಈಸಿ. n equals 25. You know the formula. Sum of even natural numbers is equal to Sn equals n into n plus 1. This is the formula. We are having for even natural numbers. We are having the formula Sn equals n into n plus 1. This S25 equals 25 into 25 plus 1. This is 25 into 26. 25 into 26. 25 6 are how much? 150. Carry 50. 25 2s are 50 plus 50. It is 66. 50. 65 it is 650. ಸರಿ ನೋಡಿ. ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್. 25 25 is 625. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ 25 ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 650. ನೋಡಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ತರ ಈವನ್ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಆ ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ next one, first 30 odd natural numbers. ನೋಡಿ ಹೇಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. Sum of first 30 odd natural numbers. 1 plus, 3 plus, 5 plus, etc. to 30 times. ಇನ್ನು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ನಮಗೆ n is 30. Sum of odd natural numbers is equal to n square. This is the formula we are in. N into n. This is 30 square. 30 square is 900. Very simple. 1 mark ಕೇಳ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಗಳು ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. n equals 30 30 square is 900. ಅದನ್ನೇ ಏನಾದ್ರು even natural numbers ಕೊಟ್ಟರು 30 ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ 30 into 31 3 3 is 9 900 plus 31 931 ಹಾಗೆ ಓವರಾಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನ ಅಭ್ಯಾಸ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಈಸಿ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ಸಮ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ದಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಸಮ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ದಿ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಶಲ್ ಕನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಲೆಸನ್. ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್? Most probably we will take last 2 classes to finish this chapter. ಮಕ್ಕಳ, ನನಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪೇಜಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ನಾಳೆ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ಗೆ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತೀರಾ? ನಾಳೆ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ಗೆ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ನಿಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪೇಜಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ನನಗೆ ಆ ಪೇಜ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾಲೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಯಾರು ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ನೌ ಟೇಕ್ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಥಾಟ್ ಪ್ರೊವೋಕಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್, ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್. ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಥಾಟ್ ಪ್ರೊವೋಕಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್. ನೌ ಟೇಕ್ number 1. The sum of 6 terms, sum of 6 terms which form an AP is 345. The difference between the first and the last terms the difference between the first and the last terms is 55. Find the terms. ಮೂರು ಸಲ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಓದ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್, 5 positive 5 positive integers are in AP. 5 positive integers are in AP. The sum of 3 middle terms is 24 and product of first and fifth terms, product of first and fifth terms, is 48. Find the terms of an AP. Find the terms of an AP. Find the terms of an AP. Next, third one. Third one, the sum of 3 consecutive terms. The sum of 3 consecutive terms in an AP. The sum of 3 consecutive terms in an AP is 6. And their product is minus 120. Find the 3 terms. The sum of 3 consecutive terms in an AP is 6 and their product is minus 120. Find the 3 terms. Fourth one, in an AP, if the 12th term is minus 30 and the sum of the first 4 terms, is 24. What is the sum of first 10 terms? What is the sum of first 10 terms? These are the 4 problems. In this way, there are so many problems are there which are called as thought provoking questions. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಯೋಚನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ questions, not difficult. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಯೋಚನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂತ questions. Try to solve it. We shall discuss when the class will start, regular class will start. Is it right? So, students, we are concluding 18th class today. Is it right? Remaining 2 classes are there to finish this chapter. Okay. Thank you very much, students. Be in the home, learn in the home, and be safe. Thank you very much.